Cookidoo is an online subscription-based recipe platform designed for the Thermomix. With over 50,000 recipes available, you'll never be short of ideas. Cookidoo is accessed via your TM6 screen, on your computer, and as an app on your smartphone or tablet. Now, to access Cookidoo, you'll first need to sign up and create an account. And I really advise you to use your PC and Google Chrome to do this. And I'll explain why later. Now, I've already signed up, so I'm actually going to log in. So if you were trying it for free, you would get 30 days free Cookidoo. So I can log in. And this is the screen that you'll get. Now, when you purchase a TM6, you get 6 months free subscription to Cookidoo. It costs $49 a year, but I kind of liken it to buying one recipe book a year. I normally buy 3 or 4 anyway, and only use a few recipes out of each one. So I really think this is value for money. So the reason I'm asking you or suggesting that you use your PC and Google Chrome is that Cookidoo has quite a few international recipes and in other languages. So Google Chrome automatically translates and it just makes it a lot easier. I'm using my laptop today to show you Cookidoo, and anything that I save on here will automatically go to my TM6 and to my iPhone and my iPad. So Cookidoo stores recipes in collections. Now, if you want to look at the collections first, you can scroll down all the way to the bottom and choose Discover from Explore All Our Recipes. I want to actually look at collections, so I'm going to choose Collections. These are the collections available for Australia. I could easily click that and find a whole lot more collections, and of course many of them will be in other languages. So if I'm looking at a collection, for let's say around Asia, and I think, oh yes, I quite like most of those recipes, I think I would make most of those, then I would choose Save. Now, I've already saved it. You would have the word save here. Now, if you think, I don't know that I'd make all of those recipes, I think I will just choose nasi lemak or lemak. So I can go to this recipe and I can add it. Now, I can bookmark it. I can add it to my week. Add it to my shopping list. I'm going to add it to a collection because I want to talk about collections with you. Now, I've got a lot of collections already there. If you were first starting, you'd have nothing. So you can start creating collections. And perhaps I'm going to choose Asian dishes. I'm going to call it Asian dishes. I'm going to save it. Now my recipe is saved in my collections, which I can access from my recipes. And there we are. Created collections. The saved collections are the actual books that I was talking to you about before. Now, when you choose to save a recipe, you can save it to your week as well. So if I want to make perhaps my curried couscous salad, I can add it to my week. And I think I might cook it on Thursday. There we go. Go to my week. And I've already got some things saved there. Oh, I've got 2 things on a Thursday. Wednesday I've got my quiche Lorraine. Thursday I'm making these 2. So what I can do with all of these recipes is I can add them to my shopping list. Now I've already added this one before, so I'll just clear all first and we'll do that again. So you can see my shopping list has no recipes. Now I can add just one recipe, the ingredients for just one recipe, or I can add all of them by clicking here. Now they've all been added to my shopping list. There's quite a few things I already have, so I can just tick out a lot of the things that I already have and add the rest of the ingredients to my shopping list. Now I'm going to show you something amazing that is new. I've got my stock paste. We've got capsicum. What I can do now is this part isn't new. I can add any other ingredients or anything on my shopping list. For example, what's on my shopping list? Rolled oats. Okay, and I can add that to my shopping list. So there we go. I've added everything. Right up the top, I have some options. Now this shopping list will be on my iPhone, so I can just simply take my iPhone to the shops. But if I want to order online, I can also do so by ordering here. So Thermomix have partnered up with Woolworths, and there my shopping list will go straight in to my Woolworths, and there I have my shopping list. I can cross things out, I can swap, I can do whatever I like. Isn't that fantastic? I think that's just amazing. All right, what else can I show you here? Oh yes, I wanted to talk about how you'd access Cookidoo on your Thermomix screen. So it would be on your TM6 screen. You just need to swipe right and you will come up with this screen on your Thermomix. And you could go to My Week on your Thermomix, choose a recipe that you were planning to make. It's taking a while to load here. So I think I might make this today instead, so I can actually cook today if I want to. This will be on my screen and I can go from there. Cookidoo also has filters. So if I'm going in to do a search, perhaps I've got a lot of chicken in my freezer, I can choose chicken. Now, here's all our recipes, 392 results. If I filter out Australia, which comes up as a default for us, I've suddenly got over 1,000 recipes. But let's look at some of the other filters. Here we have the category. So it can be a pasta or a rice dish, or a side dish, or a baking, for example. Baby food. There are all those categories to choose from. Now, if I have some other ingredients in my fridge that needs using up, I could also pop that in there. The tags are the hashtags, so whether you want it gluten-free or what else, kids, children, you could pop that in there as well. The difficulty rating, how long it takes to prepare or cook, and the portion size. You can choose your stars, your reviews, whether you want just TM6 only or the other Thermomix types. You've got your language, you've got your countries, and there's many, many, many more. So there we go, there's our results. Now, if you wanted to add 2 or 3 ingredients there, you could also do that. Now, we could have done that in filters, but let's say chicken, pasta, tomato. Search. Here we go. Look at all those recipes. Oh, my phone. And we've got quite a selection here to choose from. And you can see the star ratings, so you can choose by the star ratings. You can also rate recipes yourself. So the creamy chicken and sun-dried tomato pasta is a pretty good recipe. If you want to rate it, you can also do so here. So Cookidoo, amazing application for your Thermomix. Enjoy. Cook, I do. That's where the word came from, if you're wondering. All right. Enjoy, and if you need any further instructions or you have any queries, you can see my email up the top. That's one of my emails that you can contact me, or you can contact me on Facebook or message me or send a carrier pigeon. I don't mind. All right. Thanks a lot.